In this video, I'll show you how to find trending ton meme coins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, at first, if you are logged into your site already, what you need to do, you need to click on this fire streak, right? So we are currently on the ton tab, right? On the ton blockchain. Wait for it to load. Give it very few seconds, right, for it to load up. So from here you can see the tokens that are currently trending. In the past 6 hours, this token is currently trending with a market cap of $43 million, right? If I click on the past 1 hour, that is the past 60 minutes, I'll be able to see a whole lot of other tokens right here. So this is a token, right? If I click on on this 5 minutes, I'll be able to see a lot of other things as well. So this is basically how you can find trending ton coins on the screen. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.